Children, civic sense makes us responsible, makes us a good citizen of our society, state, and the country. So, there are some responsibilities, duties to be a good citizen of our society, state, and country. We must follow the responsibilities or duties. We have some rights which our government gives us. We have some rights which our government gives us. So, children, it is our duty to maintain a balance between our duties and rights. Every time we are very much careful for our rights, but we are not thinking what are our duties. We are going here and there and throwing garbage. So, we don't have to do like this because it is a duty to make our country clean, make our surrounding clean. So children, there are some responsibilities to be a good citizen. First, we must respect our national symbols such as the national flag and the national anthem. We must pay taxes regularly. We don't have to hide our income from the government. We have to pay tax according to our income. We have to cast our vote responsibly during the election. We have to think over it. To whom we are going to cast our vote. First we have to think, then we have to cast our vote. Then we have to preserve public property. Public property which is used by everyone. Means everyone, public can use. So we have to preserve them. We have to follow the rules and regulation of the country. Means where we are living, in which country we are living. So we have to follow that rules. We have to conserve the environment in which we are living. We have to conserve the surroundings. For saving the environment, for conserving the environment, we have to plant trees, save water, and decrease the pollution which we are creating. So we have to conserve the environment. So these things we have to follow to be a good citizen. As our family loves us, taking care of us, in the same way our government, our country loves us and taking care of us. Now children, election and voting. Voting is a right. Voting is a right given by the country, given by the democratic country. Do you have a school captain or a class monitor? Do you know what is the process to select him or her? As we are selecting our class monitor in your school, we select class monitor. In the same way, we are electing our leaders to form the government. Children, India is a vast country. The citizens of India elect or choose their leaders. This process of electing a leader can be defined as election. So children, election is the process by which we select our leaders through voting. And what is leader? The leader who choose from the government. A leader. Who is leader? The leaders we choose from the government. Elections are held for the country as well as the state. All citizens above the age of 18 have the right to vote. So we will be able to cast vote when we will be of age of 18. A leader is someone who is responsible for the well-being of the society. Choosing a leader is important because these leaders are a part of the government and make laws and policies. It is important for everyone, every citizen of India to exercise these right to vote. The Election Commission of India is an organization that is responsible for conducting elections.